All right, let's do a walk around of a project we did a few months ago. Okay, here you go. This beautiful interlock driveway with blue ED from Taco Block, shell gray and onyx black Brandon edge. All right, we got a pillar Brandon wall with yard cap. Yeah, overlay the porch, the top part, and the second two step is built with a Brandon wall and Raffinado cap. All right, blue Kentucky grass. Okay, let's go in the backyard. Sidewalk, blue 60 with shell gray and onyx black. Okay, there we go. This is the patio, small little patio. This is done by somebody else. It's beautiful. All this grass is installed by us. Pietra edging here, Brandon edge. All right, let's see. Ooh. There you go. Window well. All these plants, beautiful. That's it.